guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to cut a flounce using this material. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this into two. If you want your flounce, because if you want to cut the facing together, you're going to fold the two together to cut it once. But if your facing is not the same thing as the same lining, so you're going to get different lining for it. But now I'm using this as my upper part and the other side. So now, since I'm cutting it once, I'm folding it into two. As you can see, this is into two. So the next thing you're going to do now is the measurement. So like this. So the first thing I'm doing here, I'm going to get my point. I'm just going to take any point that I want. So let me just pick this place as my starting point. You can see. So from this starting point, you're going to measure 4 inches. 4 inches up and 4 inches down. It depends on your measurement, but I'm using 4 inches. You can use 5, you can use 6, and you can use 7. But I'm using 4 here. I'm using 4 here to making 8 here. So the other side too. 4 here. Also 4 here. Like a 4 cardinal point. So the next thing I'm doing now, I'm going to join the points together. The first point, so I'm joining the second point together. Like this. Then I'm going to make it a circle. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. So it's like a circle. You can see it. So the next thing you're going to do here is you are going to make use of 1 inch measurement here. You're going to measure 1 inches up here. So from this 1 inches, you're going to make a curve like this from here to here, to the point here. So now, I told you the wideness of my flounce here, I'm using 4 inches. So I'm starting my 4 inches. I'm not starting from this point again. I'm starting from this particular one. Don't mind my talking. From this point. So my 4 is here. From this point, this is the first 4. So you place it here too. 4. You place it here too. 4. You place it here too. 4. You place it here too. So when you get here, you place it here. 4. Because this is the last from the inner side. This is the last 4 from the inner side. So the next one is here. You can see my 4. So you place it here too. 4. You place it here too. 4. Here too. 4. You can decide to be increasing the length if you want. You can decide to increase the length, but me, I'm using 4. 4, 6, 4, 2, 4 here 2. Can you see the 4? 4 here 2. So when you get here as 4, you can see my 4 here. So when you get, you started from here, from this inner as 4. So when you get here, this particular point here, you're through with this point. So when you get here, you start from here, another 4. You can see it, you can see the round. So here 2, you can see it. So I told you this is our 4. So when you get here, you continue with this line. This is the line, like 4. Place it here 2, 4. Place it here 4. You place it here 4. So it depends on how long you want your flounce to be. You can continue like that, continue until you use up all this material. But I'm stopping here, so I'm joining the sketch together like this. So you can see I've joined the sketch together. So this is all what we need. We don't need here. The roundness start from here. If you look at it very well, you can see I'll stop here. So if you want your flounce to get a tail, you can slant it in like this for cutting. Either you slant it in like this or you cut it like this. It depends on how you want it to be. So now I want to start the cutting. So let me first cut it like this, then I'll not cut it like that. So I want to cut it. So you can see. So the next we're going to cut it. So still cutting it. Still cutting. So when you get here, then you cut it like this. So this particular one is of no use again. So the if I told you that if you want it to be like a tail, you're going to cut this particular place off like this. So this is your tail. So you can see my blouse. So I told you I cut it one because I'm going to use this as the facing too. But if you want another color to be showing at the other side, so you're going to make use of another fabric. You can see it. You can see it. So this is my blouse. If you want to make it like a rose, you can use this particular blouse to make a rose too, like this. After when you stitch it and turn it, then you'll be rounding it to be like a rose. If you want to use it as a rose, you can use it as a rose. And see? You can see? That's why then you stitch it. So then if you want to make it other way, maybe you want to make it to be on the skirt or on the top, just stitch everywhere like this, then you turn it, then you press it. So this is how it's going to be. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.